sold, when she dropped these bags on Mother's Day, she sold out in 3 minutes. These sold out in 3 minutes. And I was the lucky one to get one. And this was my first time ever purchasing from her. Like, I'm not even an original G. Hey Spice Squad, what's going on? Welcome back to my channel, or welcome to my channel. If this is your first time here, welcome. My name is Nayel. Make sure you press that red subscribe button down below and press the bell so you don't miss a thing your girl posts. And before you go anywhere and before you do anything else, press that thumbs up button for your girl. Click up a button. Thumbs up your girl. So today, guys, I'm going to be doing a review on a very popular item and something that I've been so excited to get. I'm kind of going to do like an unboxing. I took it out of the immediate wrapping, but I didn't unpackage it and go through like everything else. So if you guys can see by the title, I got my first Mia Ray bag. So Mia Ray is a black woman entrepreneur who has a designer bag merchandise line. So she makes and manufactures and sells designer handbags, and it's a black owned business. And yes, designer handbags that are very, very affordable, but gives you very much Louis Vuitton, Gucci, Prada, YSL material and quality. And I can attest to that because before I got my bag, a friend of mine let me see her bags and her items that she purchased from Mia Ray. So the line is called Glam-Aholic. So some of you may know, some of you may not. Check out the Instagram. And my friend actually put me on to this website because she was always getting like super excited for this lady to drop these bags. It was always a date. It was like a big hype, and I'm like, girl, what is this that you're talking about? Like, she got so upset because she missed a drop before, like literally like so upset, like so upset because she could not get what she wanted from a release date of a certain item. And I'm like, girl, you tripping, like what is going on? And basically I got all caught up in it. I started following Mia Ray, following her business page, and I've become a huge fan, a huge supporter, and I really like sis. Like, sis is the real deal. She's raw dog, and she is just like a great mentor from afar, especially becoming an entrepreneur myself as a black woman. And like, just like, her marketing is genius, and she does these she all that. But let me be quiet and start doing an unboxing before y'all get bored. Okay. So first things first, this was in the packaging when I took the initial white packaging off. And I believe this is probably like the receipt. It's giving very much designer vibes. Took this out. And here go Mia Ray. Hey girl. Hey girl. I love her, like when she be like doing her question and answer, because she do them all the time. She's very interactive with her audience, which I love. And she be like, no ma'am. No ma'am. Yes, no ma'am. It's the no ma'am for me. And like, she always puts Oprah. But yes, she has on here, it says, thank you, luxury products. The luxury extensions follow like a G. Period. Glam-Aholic lifestyle. And she has 10 years and counting on the bag. I know that's right. I remember she was doing a live before, and she was talking about like, you know, what if you knew right now in 10 years, whatever you're doing, your business or whatever, so you will be a millionaire or whatever, something along that line. Like, would you keep doing it right now? Would you even pay attention to like, I only have 5 customers right now, like I want to give up? Would you have that same mindset if you knew that in 10 years you would be a millionaire? No, you wouldn't. Most wouldn't. But I don't know, she's like very inspirational. Love her. Okay, what else? Okay, it has my like return back label in here, and we have quality control. So it says quality control number, order number. Your order was packaged with love by DB. Hey DB girl. And then on here it says, thank you for your purchase. Welcome to the Glam-Aholic lifestyle. Honey, she's selling a lifestyle, the luxury lifestyle. And a little bit about her story is that she always loves like designer bags and being a diva like us females are. And she always had to save up to buy her designer bags and her luxury items. She couldn't just go out and get it at any and all times. She was a single mother, middle class, growing up. And it's just like, you know, like most of us, like the average person, like We can't just go to any designer store and then basically just have a shopping spree. Like, and some of us can, not speaking for all, but the average person wants to save up a couple dollars and then go. Like, you're saving up a couple dollars and then you get that item. Save up a couple dollars and get that item. So that's why she does like her drops and her release dates like spread out, because she wants to give that woman who she was and still is time to save up their money, so that when she does do her drop, you have the money and the funds to purchase the bag and the item, luxury item that you want. Love that about her. Okay, so I got the large matte black bucket bag. So I really was excited to get this item because, one, I don't have any big black bags. Y'all know, or I don't know if y'all know, but if y'all know me, I love bags. Like, I'm a bag person. I always carry a purse with me. Like, some people aren't bag people, they're like wallet people, clutch people. I love me a bag, and I love big bags. And honey, I wears my bags. Like, my very first designer bag that you see me do a video like what's in my bag, I carry that bag all the time still. Like, I love my bags, and I don't care if they not in season. I love my bags, and that's just on period. Okay, so taking this off, it's the satin bag. The bag is in the satin bag. I can definitely see her doing, you know, a lot of the luxury companies have boxes. Like, I wonder if she'll ever get like a black box and put this pink G on there. I think that'd be so cute. Like, so cute. Like, yeah, but a lot of bags, especially big bags too, like they put them in boxes and then you open up the box and it has like the tissue paper and a really cool experience. But this is also a really cute experience and I'm loving it so far. Again, I got me a large black bag. I don't have any large black bags, and I love big bags. Like, I'm such a big bag person, like a regular big bag person. I don't have any kids or anything like that, so it's not like I like big bags to put like kids snacks in there and their juices and bottles. I just love big bags, and I always have so much in them. Okay, let's take the bag out. Let's see. Okay, we got her wrapped up. We take this off and this off. There she go. There she go. There go mama. There go the large mama. Okay, let me take this tape off. Okay. I don't know. I like to smell stuff, y'all, and I smelled it. I'm so happy I got the large bag, guys. She had the option of getting a mini, a medium, and then a large. And this is the large bag. I'm so happy. Like, just looking at the size now that I got the large bag. So, the straps come wrapped up. Again, here's the bag. This is her monogram G bucket bag. So, like, there goes the G's. You see the G's on here. And right here is where you'll pull. So I'm going to sit this right here. And I'm going to undo these straps. So this is the little strap where I'll be able to just carry it like this. Or like on my arm like that. So we're going to strap her on here. And one thing I like about Mia Ray is she shows you all this. Like, she shows you her samples. She shows you how to wear these bags, the different ways you can wear the bag, what you can put in the bag, and such. And I am new to the G Hive, so her squad is called the G Hive, which I love because it reminds me of the Beehive. And y'all know I am a Beehive member. Okay, so here we go. Now let me open her up and give that bucket effect. 2 seconds, y'all. Oh yeah, I'm about to work this bag. I'm so hyped, y'all, because I do not have a bag like this. Y'all, she has travel bags. Like, I'm trying to get the travel set as well, but that didn't drop yet. So, oh, this is Kaloot. This is Kaloot, y'all. This is Kaloot. Alright, so let me stand up. So this is the bag, guys. This is the matte black large bucket bag from Glam-Aholic, the Glam-Aholic lifestyle. And if I carry it like this, it'll be like that. Okay, guys. Okay, y'all. So sorry, don't mind my location. I just had to switch locations like in the room so you guys can get the full effect of how the bag looks on me. So mind you, this is the large one. She has 2 other sizes, which is a medium and a small. So when you carry it like with the little strap, this is the little strap that I was showing you guys. When you carry that on your arm, it looks like this and like that. And like this. You know, I guess you could carry it. I don't know how else you would carry it. Like this. There you go. But when you carry it like this, and this is on the top buckle up top. You put her around you like that. Oh, let me check this out in the mirror. Oh yes, I love this, y'all. This is giving. This is giving. It's giving with the booty. I love it. I'm definitely obsessed. Like, I definitely will be rocking this. I might switch this now. But, and then if you don't want to do it like that, I actually like it on that top buckle because I'm short. I'm a little short girl. I'm 5'2", so that works for me. And you can also do it on a side like this, and this is very much me as well. Like, I do this often with that, like on my side, and I think it looks cute on a side like this. Let me check it out in the mirror. Yes. So this is what it looks like, you know, just giving you more full body range if you have it on the side like that. Mind you, I am 5'2", so this is what it looks like on me. If I cross body it, this is what it's giving. You know, your bucket bag. You're out and about at the mall, running around. You don't really have to have it on your arm how I had it. You can have it, you know, just across your body. Shout out to Mireille. You did this, girl. You did the damn thing, okay? And then, again, this is with it like this. You just walk in if you want to just have it on your arm like that. If you want to carry it like that, I don't know why you would carry it this low. Maybe waiting in line. Who knows? Okay, so now that you guys seen how it looked on me, here she is again. So now that you guys seen like how like the bag looked on me and everything, and I'm not sure if you could tell the quality, but the quality is amazing. Very, like, you could just tell it's high quality. It's not no cheap leather that's gonna crack, you know, if you wear it too many times. I'm opening it up so I can kind of tell you guys about the inside. All right, so here is the inside. It's black, so you can't really, I'm not sure how much you can see. There is a pocket here on the side. In there, that's an open pocket, and then there's a zipper pocket right here. And it's very, very spacious. So, when Mireille was showing us this, she was showing how like a large water bottle can fit in here, and all the stuff that can fit in here. Your large wallet, all your items and accessories can definitely fit into this bag. I'm so pleased with my purchase. So let me tell y'all a little thing about Glam-Aholic and the G Hive. The G Hive is a ride or die squad, and it's very hard that when she drops her stuff for you to get your items. So I'm told, and so I see through comments. So she sold, when she dropped these bags on Mother's Day, she sold out in 3 minutes. In 3 minutes. And she does, it does look like she gets a lot of inventory from, like, if you follow her and you watch, because she shows it all, baby. She shows it all. These sold out in 3 minutes. And I was the lucky one to get one. And this was my first time ever purchasing from her. Like, I'm not even an original G, but I'm becoming one. Anyways, like, there are some original G Hive members that did not get their bags, and I got my bag, so favor ain't fair, period. Anyway, so yes, it's like hard, it's kind of hard for you to like get stuff. Like my friend who I said missed one drop before, she tried to order 3 things and she wasn't able to get it, but by the grace of God, she got it another time, so don't even little. So anyway, shout out to Ash. Shout out to Ash, because she is the one who put me onto the Glam-Aholic lifestyle, and I've been hooked ever since, and I can't wait to get my travel bag and accessories when they drop. So this is the bag. This is the bucket bag. She will be coming out with more. She is sold out right now. But honey, she has another color coming out. And I'm not even about to put y'all on because I'm being a little stingy, because I want to be able to get it. And I don't want y'all to be trying to get it. Make sure y'all follow her. Stay tuned. She will be showing, like, I'm pretty sure she'll be showing more samples and stuff for y'all to see what's coming up next. Price-wise, very, very affordable. So the mini one, I might get this wrong a little bit, was like 40 or 60. The medium was like 60 or 80, and then the large was $100. Yes, for this high quality luxury bag, $100. That is so cheap in the luxury lifestyle, especially for a quality big spacious bag. So I'm very pleased. I'm super happy with my purchase. So go out and support y'all. She has a big support system. Let's support her as well. Like, I don't know, I just really love her grind, her ambition, her work ethic, and all of that. Like, her whole all-around person. I've been, you know, just inspired and admiring her from, you know, afar, from on social media, and just how she presents herself, how she conducts business, and so on. She gives great advice, especially for entrepreneurs. So if you are an entrepreneur, I think she's also a really great person to watch and just like let her mentor from afar, because she gives out gems, honey. She gives out the gems, and I've been learning a lot. And then she has this popping line, Glam-Aholic lifestyle, and she got some good stuff, y'all. She got some good stuff. So shout out to Mia Ray, shout out to the G Hive, because y'all got a new G sister per, and this is the bag and I love it. I'm pretty sure I might have missed something, so definitely comment down below, ask me any questions you have about this bag. This is the only item that I have from her right now, because I'm coming for that matte pink travel set, the tote and the duffel bag. I can't wait till she drops them so I can make my purchase. But I'm so glad I got the bucket bag, and I'm so glad, I'm kind of happy she did the drop separately, because I was able to get this item. Now the next drop, I'll hopefully be able to check out the item that I really want. So I can't wait to sport this. So check out my Instagram for my picture when I'm putting this up, and my boomerangs, because I will, oh, almost fell, because I'll definitely be shouting this out. Per G Hive Gang, Spice Squad, check out the Glam-Aholic lifestyle. Alright, so y'all know what I always say. Be the light wherever you go, because wherever you go, the light shall follow. Love you guys so much. Bye.